Tangem is known for its secure hardware wallets. A cornerstone of this security is its reliance on high-level certifications, with EAL6 Plus being a critical one. Understanding what this means is key to appreciating the protection Tangem offers. EAL stands for Evaluation Assurance Level. It's a grade given to an information technology product or system after a common criteria security evaluation. Common criteria is an international standard, $ISO/IEC 15408, for computer security certification. It provides a common framework for evaluating security features and assurances. The EAL scale runs from EAL1 to EAL7. The higher the number, the more rigorous the evaluation and testing process. EAL1 means the product was functionally tested. EAL4 is the highest level where a product is deemed commercially viable and subject to development environment analysis and semi-formal design specification. It's often used for commercial products requiring moderate to high security. EAL6 is a significant jump. It stands for Semi-Formally Verified Design and Tested. To achieve EAL6, the evaluation requires a comprehensive and systematic development environment, a structured design approach, and extensive testing. This level is typically reserved for security targets in high-risk situations where the value of the protected assets is high. The assurance gained is high, focusing on preventing known risks. Tangem specifically uses EAL6 Plus certified secure elements. The plus signifies that the evaluation process has been supplemented with additional, specialized testing beyond the standard EAL6 requirements. This extra layer of scrutiny ensures even greater confidence in the chip's resilience against attacks. For Tangem, this EAL6 Plus certification applies to the secure element chip embedded in their cards. This chip is a dedicated, tamper-resistant microprocessor designed to securely store cryptographic keys and perform cryptographic operations. Its high certification level is crucial because the private keys to your crypto assets are stored within this chip. In short, EAL6 Plus certification means the chip inside your Tangem wallet has undergone one of the most stringent security evaluations available globally, assuring its design and implementation are robust enough to withstand sophisticated physical and logical attacks. This level of certification is a powerful indicator of the device's integrity and a major factor in Tangem's commitment to security.